This is the HP 360 laptop motherboard. We connect DC power supply. This motherboard has come to me for repair. Problem is no power. When we connect power supply and on our DC power supply, it's taken 0.190 to 193 amp, and something is heating in this area. There is a shorting inside the motherboard. When we put the board in our thermal camera, see, there is a something shorting and component is heating, and when we backside temperature is almost 110 degree and this side temperature is 83 degree, means backside component is heating too much, and this component is a memory IC. See, normal vision, this is a memory controller. Maybe this IC is short. Let's replace the IC and check what happened. We replace this IC. This is not a memory controller, this is a 3V 5V IC. We replace this IC. Now we on the board. See, there is light also. Board is powered on now, and one time restart because of RTC, and this board is ready now. This is a HP 360 laptop, and this board does not have any schematic diagram. This is a 3V 5V controller. We replace this controller and this board is now on. Let's assemble the board and check display. Thank you.